Have you ever been recording and you heard an echo or a delay in your headphones? Stay tuned for the video and we're going to figure out how to fix that issue. What's good? It's your boy Gerard Sharif, and today we're going to go over latency. Now, what is latency? Latency is nothing more than the time it takes from a signal, whether it be from an artist or a live instrument. It's the signal, the time it takes for that signal to go through the microphone, through the cable, through the interface, in the computer, out of the computer, to the headphones. So, a lot of times when you see people recording that's new, or even if they're seasoned vets, and you'll see an artist complaining about an echo or a delay inside of their headphones while they're recording, this is most likely the problem. So if we hop right into Pro Tools and we go to the setup window and we go to the playback engine and we place our eyes on this hardware buffer size. That's what we're going to go over today to eliminate the problem of latency when you get the echo and the delay in your headphones. So the hardware buffer is it gives the amount of power that it's going to allow for plugins and stuff to run in your DAW. So a typical rule is to keep it higher for mixing and lower for recording. So you want it higher when you're mixing because it'll let you have more plugins in the processing and it'll process more of it. But while it's lower, you can record but not run as many plugins being processed while you're recording, but it'll stop your computer from having CPU errors. And that's another thing, if you're having a lot of CPU errors and you change the buffer size while you're recording, and that issue should most likely go away. So remember, a typical rule is higher for mixing, lower for recording. One more time. Higher for mixing, lower for recording. And if you look at the options, you see I got from 32 samples to 1024 samples. The options here might vary depending on the interface or the computer you're using. But don't worry, because a typical thing for recording, I usually put it at 128 and the artist won't hear the latency anymore and we'll have a smooth session. And at 128, it just allows me to still have processing, the EQs and all that I want on there, but it still won't use up so much power that it's causing me to have CPU issues or latency. So remember, higher for mixing, lower for recording. And it's the hardware buffer size. You want to be sure to check it before your session so you can ensure that you're getting the best setting and that it'll just make your sessions go a lot smoother. So if we look at over here, it'll just run smoother. Like I said, it's your boy Gerard Sharif. I hope this video was helpful. I hope it helps you solve some of your latency problems. And hit that subscribe button, man. I'll be back with more tutorials, more tips, and yeah.